hope you don't mind. It's on my YouTube channel.
Oh God. How you doing?
Not much. Freaking busy in the back.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, I think the season. It's already started. Small machines, big machines. We put this one in there, or it comes like that with the trucks?
The lift gate?
Yeah.
No, it comes
Like that. Like, I was able to fix the toolbox.
Oh, you did what I said?
Yeah, easy. Iron. What happened was the rod in the back came loose. So when I put it together,
Okay.
it just literally dropped. So that's what happened. So I had the one open, like you told me, took it out, push it up, I was able to get it out. So I was able to
so
fix
lucky
it.
you didn't close that.
Oh, that's how I was
That
watching.
drawer was closed.
Yeah,
You were fucked.
that's what I was telling the guys too. I was like, ugh. And for some reason, just that one didn't close. So I was like, alright, fuck it. And when I closed everything, you hear it, it dropped, and I was like, what the fuck? And every time I tried to do it with the key, there was like no like resistance on it. Yeah, so I was like, well, I got lucky, man. You told me to stick it out, and then I saw a YouTube video too. The guy took it out and just freaking did it like that. And I was like, ah.
That drawer was.
Yup.
You were so fucked.
I would have had to cut it.
I don't know what we would have. That's why I called you right away. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah. No. The guy you told me that no, it's easy.
That would have been a disaster.
Uh-huh. Yeah, because I think that very well secure, right? There's no way to get anything out, right?
Yes.
No, we would have had to like, I don't know, like
Like
try.
go like a locksmith.
Try. Well, no, even the locksmith wouldn't be able to do it because the lock wasn't working.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. Shit. Yeah, I got lucky with this one, but lesson learned, never gonna do that again.
That was almost.
Oh, qué bonito, bro.
Yup.
Qué bonito.
Yeah, look over here, look over here.
Because I've seen guys do all sorts of crazy shit at that point.
You're trying to get it, really?
Yeah, like.
Oh, so it's happened before?
Yeah.
Ah, shit, okay.
Like drill a hole in the back of the toolbox and like hook the thing and try and get it up.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't do that. At that point, I would just try to from the front.
Like try and pry a drawer down and stick something back there to lift it on.
You know, that's funny because I went at the bottom trying to see if I can have like anything, and there was like no way to.
There's no way.
There's no way.
That's what I'm saying. That shit was fucking close.
Shit, I got lucky, man. That's crazy.
We would have had to do all sorts of crazy shit.
Hell yeah.
I've heard of guys like flipping the toolbox upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with the tools and everything in there.
It's tough, man.
They
gotta-
will,
you
they
got
will
this-
me. That's why.
Yeah, you got decisions to make
Yeah.
at that point. Like, how you want to fucking go about it. That's how bad it is.
Yeah, 'cause I wouldn't even go through the back. Hell no.
Oh, dude. I've heard of guys drilling through the top and then like put the mat over it. You don't
You
realize
don't
that.
really see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I would do
Like,
kind of like something like that too.
Yeah, it's like
No, but I'd be scared, man.
that big of a fucking problem.
Ooh, I love these, man. I gotta bring that one back to the show.
How you doing, buddy?
See, that's it, my new one.
Where are you going with this?
Huh?
Oh, it's gonna be in the back.
La other one is right there, too.
Quality.
Hell yeah. Got it now? Hell yeah. This is here, and this is right? Nah, tengas acá everything open already.
How are you gonna get it over there?
We'll have to take my bike. I'm gonna take all the big one and this one. You go rent those little ones, the trailer thing. So, still gotta put all my tools. a roll rotate.
Oh man, that's nice.
Yes, sir. ¿Ahorita vio esta? ¿Yo?
No. Ah.
I remember. You remember, right?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, we worked in.
Yo pienso que.
Acá vengo this, acá vengo Mumbai,
Para la siguiente semana decirle que voy a necesitar 2 baterías,
Oh, ¿está bien?
Sí, ¿a
Dos.
cómo tienes baterías?
He said you need 2 batteries if you have some.
For this,
For the,
Yeah.
for those.
I should have at least one.
One, dice que por lo menos tiene uno. Yo le compré uno también. Yeah, he said he needs 2.
¿Cómo te dejan?
He said how much are you live for?
Huh?
How much are they selling for?
120 bucks each.
120 cada uno.
Sí, yo voy a necesitar 2.
Está bonito.
Está bonito.
I like it.
Sí, tiene uno,
Yo
claro.
la compro
Sí,
ahora.
está bien, allá.
Porque se están arruinando mis baterías.
La mía yo me quedé con
I
una.
don't know if he needs any tools, but I got the ratchets on sale. If he needs a ratchet, it comes with a battery.
Oh, dice, no sé si necesitas herramienta, pero tiene el ratchet, pero viene con una batería si quiere.
Ah, pero tengo uno de esos.
¿Sí? Okay, no, he has one already. He just needs a battery.
Lo que sí.
Habla serio.
Lo-
La calidad, don Jorge. Vaya.
¿Qué mierda? No se ve nada. Vaya. No se mira.
This is the power tool holder.
Oh, thank God.
If you want to
Yep.
set it up in there.
Yes, sir, because that's what I wanted to do. That's literally why I got this thing.
Yeah, so you can put it in
In
here.
here, and then when I'm working, and just
Then to
freaking roll
open
it.
up the drawers,
De herramientas.
right now they're locked.
Okay,
No, pronto.
You want to unlock it, you go like this.
okay,
And
okay.
then you're able to unlock it.
Okay.
¿Cuánto vale esa caja?
Como 1000 y pico. Con taxis está casi llegando a los 3000.
Ah, está de buen tamaño.
Sí, porque como estoy trabajando en los carros, so necesito esto para mi ladito, entonces por eso.
La cámara sí pone un poco más de libras.
Ahora está.
Sí.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay,
Pues
so
veo
this is
esa
all the
hermana.
parts?
Sí.
Yeah, so you got your mats here for the drawers,
Okay,
your power strip.
gotcha.
En serio.
This is this here you can put to on one side for the handle to wrap the cord.
Oh, okay,
So when
okay.
you pass the wire through,
Gotcha. Okay, maybe through there, to the home.
yeah, through here,
Okay.
Te dejo.
then you can wrap the cord on that
Oh, so it's
side.
like not hanging, right? Like come
Yeah.
on. Okay, come on. Okay, cool. Like,
So this is where you're gonna put the power strip.
Okay, gotcha.
It's got the screws and everything there.
Okay, awesome.
So you're gonna just put all of our magazines up here. And then put this thing here. And then, you know, so you can set this up whatever way you want.
Órale, órale.
I put it in the fucking-
The direction is okay. But you can put these at different heights depending on what size gun you
Yeah,
have.
gotcha. Okay, oh, yeah, see, okay.
So it's completely adjustable. So you know you just set it for whatever you want. Whatever.
Gotcha, awesome. Okay, perfect. So it'll come from there.
Yeah, some guys set it up like that. Some guys don't. But it comes with it, so you're all set.
Gotcha. Oh, yeah, that's way buenísimo. Take all my stuff and leave it over here.
And then if you wanna, so what you can do with this if you wanted to, is you could, in essence, keep the drawers unlocked
Okay.
and lock the top.
And then-
Let's say you want lunch here while there's some shit here. You can, if you like this guy borrows some shit from you every now and then, whatever. You can give him access to the drawers, but lock the top. Once you want to lock the drawers, you just go down. Now the drawers are locked.
Gotcha. Okay, okay, perfect. Okay.
That's pretty much it.
Okay, perfect. I love this. That's good. Want me to give you the card number?
Is it the same card?
People, no, it's not a different one.
So, yeah. Now that card just is one.
Ahí me da, oh, está ahí, está adentro. No, no sé, voy a hablar con ellos.
Porque me da la mejor calidad de atención desde el 2023. Cambia de